How many times have you worn your bridal outfit again after your wedding? I'm sure your answer is never. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. Your bridal outfit has been hanging in your wardrobe since years and you haven't worn it ever again. Today, I'm gonna tell you all the tricks to reuse your bridal outfit, or in fact, any heavy outfit that you bought for some special occasion. So do watch this video till the end and don't forget to share it with all your friends. Your wedding outfit, or in fact, any heavy outfit, no matter how much you love it, is just lying around in your wardrobe. Because after all, how many times can you wear one outfit? Now, so many people have already seen it many a times, so you cannot repeat it often. And bridal outfit is something that you are emotionally attached to. You've got so many memories attached to it, which makes it all the more special and hence impossible to share with anyone. Plus, these outfits are so expensive that you can't even just discard them. So now, what to do? Don't worry, I'll tell you what to do. Bridal wear is usually a lehenga choli or an anarkali suit. So that's what we are gonna talk about today. Get your lehenga and choli joined together and convert it into an anarkali and carry the same dupatta that already exists. And if that dupatta is too heavy, then either get a totally new dupatta made or shift the previous dupatta's borders onto a plain dupatta. And if you had an anarkali suit initially, then get the yoke and skirt part separated. You can either use these two together or individually too. You can wear the choli with a plain chiffon or georgette sari, maybe something that has a border, or shift your bridal dupatta's borders onto a new fabric and create a sari out of it. Sometimes the embroidery on these dupattas is such that it cannot be shifted. So in that case, add some more fabric to this dupatta and get a designer sari made. You can wear your heavy blouse created from the yoke or your lehenga's choli with a traditional silk sari. And if you don't want to use this dupatta or want some modern look, then get a stylish drape sari with your blouse. You can even wear this choli with a plain lehenga or a stylish skirt. And if you want to give a heavier look to this outfit, then get a jacket made to wear on top of your newly created lehenga choli. This jacket could either be like an anarkali or straight. You can even use the dupatta to get a jacket made. You can either use the whole of it or just use the borders. Try this when you want to wear something very heavy, because it's gonna make your already heavy outfit even heavier. You can use the choli or the yoke out of your bridal anarkali as a yoke in another anarkali style flared outfit. This will be absolutely lighter than your bridal outfit and the entire look will change too. Trust me, this will be very appropriate for mehndi or sangeet functions. Then we'll talk about how to use the lehenga. It could be your lehenga choli's lehenga or your anarkali's lower part turned into a lehenga. You can wear a plain shirt with your full heavy lehenga. It could be a blouse or a simple button-down shirt. You can see a lot of celebrities wearing this style in movies as well as private functions. Wearing a plain shirt isn't compulsory either. You can get this shirt or a blouse made out of some textured fabric like brocade or something with a self-design. I'm sure you all have other blouses too. Maybe from your another sari or any other lighter blouse that you can mix and match with this heavy lehenga. And carry a dupatta in an altogether different color to create an absolutely new look. And if you want to give an Indo-Western look to this style, then pair up your lehenga with any crop top. This does not necessarily need to have any embroidery because your lehenga is already too heavy. So you can go for any modern cut plain top as well. Modern cut means something with an off shoulder or maybe a peplum top. And even something with ruffles would also look very nice. And it would give a very modern look too. Then I will tell you a very modern style to reuse your bridal lehenga. Get the side seam of your lehenga undone and create a long slit kind of opening. Now wear this over a pair of pencil pants. If you have put on some weight after a few years of your wedding and you cannot fit into your bridal lehenga anymore, then there's an option for that too. Get the side seam of your lehenga undone and get a straight pencil skirt made with it, preferably plain. The color could be the same for both. This will create a beautiful layering design. You can wear this with a separate blouse or even get it stitched like a gown. There are so many ways to make an anarkali or a gown that I'm gonna tell you. Like we added a plain skirt to the embroidered yoke or the blouse, same ways we can add a plain yoke to the heavy skirt and get an altogether new gown made. Sometimes the anarkali doesn't have a yoke and the kalis run from shoulder to the hemline. You can get this anarkali cut from the front and create a jacket out of it. Wear this jacket with a plain crop top and a skirt. Or maybe, like I have mentioned in one of my previous videos, about wearing this jacket over a sari during winter weddings, and it'll keep you warm too. Another style that is trending these days is you can get slits made in your anarkali at the front and the sides as well, and wear it over a heavy flared skirt in some contrast color. So these were all the tips that you can easily use to reuse your bridal outfit. Even if you don't want to spend much on it, you can create so many new styles by using stuff from your existing wardrobe. Mix and match and create a lot of new styles. If you use any of these tips and create something, then do share your pictures with us. And if you want to get your bridal outfit restyled, then you can visit our studio. You can also follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We upload a lot of similar content here on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.